Hey everyone! If you've ever tried to compare schools on GreatSchools, you know how painful it gets fast. Clicking school by school, copying ratings, reviews, demographics, it doesn't scale. So in this video, I'll show you how to use the GreatSchool Scraper by ParseForge, which you can find on Appify or in the link down in the description. It's used to automatically collect complete GreatSchools data in just a few minutes. The GreatSchools Scraper lets you extract structured school data directly from greatschools.org, and it pulls things like school ratings and test scores, parent reviews, student demographics, enrollment and performance metrics, and contact info and district details. No coding, no manual copying, and everything comes out clean and ready for Excel. So, let me show you how it works. The input is pretty simple. You can either use the URL from GreatSchools or insert your location, select the school level, the school types, and the maximum number of items. Remember, you can only choose one. Let me show you how the URL works. Let's say, for example, you're looking for schools in Miami and you're looking for high schools. Once you've selected your filters, you can just copy the URL and paste it in here. Alternatively, you can say, for example, New York, select the schools, for example, middle and high, select the school type, for example, public, and then choose the maximum number of items. We'll choose 30 for this run. Now, since we're using the location, we'll erase this URL. And now, you can schedule the actor if you want to run it multiple times, or we can run it once. We'll run it once for this demo. And now, we'll let the actor do its magic. Once the run finishes, you'll get this dataset table in the Output tab. Each row represents one school, and you'll see stuff like the overall GreatSchools rating, test scores and college readiness, enrollment numbers, the location, demographics, parent review counts and averages, alongside other info. You can also download this data as a JSON, CSV, or Excel file. This makes it incredibly easy to sort, filter, and compare schools side by side, something that's nearly impossible to do manually on the website. The GreatSchools Scraper turns hours of school research into minutes. Whether you're choosing a school, analyzing a market, or doing education research, this tool gives you complete, structured school intelligence at scale. If you have any issues, feel free to contact us. And if you enjoy this scraper, we'd appreciate a review. Thank you.